USAID funding significantly impacts the higher education and training sector by supporting projects that enhance capacity, promote policy reform, and address various challenges, including gender inequality and poverty. This funding helps increase access to education, improve learning outcomes, and empower individuals to contribute to their communities and economies. Here's a more detailed look at the ways USAID funding affects higher education and training. 1. Capacity building and institutional strengthening. Financial support. USAID provides funding for various projects aimed at strengthening higher education institutions, HEIs, and improving their capacity to deliver quality education. Partnerships. USAID often partners with local governments, NGOs, and HEIs to implement innovative programs and approaches. Focus on relevant skills. Funding is directed towards projects that equip students with skills needed for the workforce and address specific needs within communities and economies, according to University World News and the World Economic Forum. Examples: USAID has supported projects like the $19 million Higher Education Systems Strengthening Activity, HESSA, in Pakistan, and the $17 million Transforming Higher Education Systems in Malawi project. 2. Promoting policy reform. Collaboration with governments. USAID works with host governments to develop and implement policies that increase educational efficiency, promote equitable access, and improve educational quality. Addressing key issues. USAID focuses on issues like educational finance, curriculum development, textbook policy, and teacher training. Improving resource allocation. USAID helps countries make better use of resources, which can help reduce reliance on school fees and other charges that discourage poor families from keeping their children in school. 3. Addressing societal challenges. Gender equity. USAID programs aim to empower girls and women by providing educational opportunities and addressing barriers like gender inequality and poverty. Youth development. USAID invests in youth development programs that equip young people with leadership, life skills, and entrepreneurial skills. HIV/AIDS. USAID provides support for HIV/AIDS care, prevention and treatment programs. Economic development. USAID promotes economic growth by supporting trade, investment, and entrepreneurship, which in turn benefits the education sector.